In this video we're going to look at getting started with programming and how to configure a block. So in the foyer we need to select File, and although Open Project may be useful later on, it's for existing projects. So we'll open a new project, and as we're programming we will use the program icon here. Our experiment is for data logging, and we'll open it. This should take you into the programming screen. This is the work area on here, and we've already got an existing start block, so we don't need to put one in. And over here we've got the content editor, where we can add text, images, video, sounds, or pictures from a webcam as a way of recording the work. For the moment though, I'm going to minimize that. The various programming icons are stacked across the bottom. The ones that are most commonly used, luckily, are towards the left. So we've got medium motor, the large motor, there are two of those in the kit, move steering block and move tank. We've got the screen display on the brick itself, sound, and the brick status lights on the brick. This is a third-party device. We can use the flow control blocks if we need a second start for some reason. If we wanted two things to happen at once, we can bring an additional one in, but a lot of what we'll do will be using the wait box. To configure a block, we click on it, open it up, and then we can select whatever it is we're going to do. In this case, for instance, it could be that we're using the touch sensor. We're going to wait until the touch sensor changes state, and then we can select that state. If we want to add a movement, such as a motor, we put a move block in here. Once again, we would need to configure the block. In this case it would be on, because we're going to use a sensor, so on continuously, and we will need to tell it what the power of the speed of the motors is. Higher numbers faster, slower numbers, and lower numbers will be slow, with negative numbers being reverse. If you want to remove a block, it's quite easy, just highlight it and delete, or you can drag it off the screen. Once your program is written, this is a very simple program, of course, we would probably want that motor to stop. So again, we configure it off, so it will run until that switch is pressed. Then we will download. We can either download to the brick, and it will wait until we go to the brick to run the program, or alternatively we can download and run. It will run immediately. There are dangers in doing that if you've got a robot with wheels and it's near the edge of a table. Alternatively, if you've got a larger program, you can select the blocks and just run those particular blocks to test it.